Rahul who replaces Chandra. Shot, pulls wide. Over the head of the fielder, Sudhir goes to the fence.
One ball into the boundary. First ball is 4 runs.
What a shot being played. Shot one and just helped it on its way towards the fine leg boundary. He's picked his spot to perfection. He's played an innings which he will remember for a long time. Quickly raced up to 73 of just 48 deliveries. 12 boundaries and a massive 6 in that. He's played some terrific shots, isn't it, Saba? Some scoops down towards the fine leg. They're really difficult shots to play, but he's executed those shots with perfection. This time he goes over the top of the bowler. One bounce into the stands. Well, he's taking it on. He's turned the heat on here for the Chennai Rhinos.
This is very clinical hitting from Vikrant. For the first time in season 2 we have seen this kind of explosive power from Vikrant. Extremely methodical, very precise in his shot selection. What a knock. He has to carry on for his side, Rhinos. That's what they say when the time comes, is the big players, the match winners who come good for you. And that's what Vikrant has done for his side. They're in deep trouble now, the Bulldozers. Now the wheels coming off. Intensity is missing. The bowling has been below par. They haven't bowled in the right areas. They have conceded extras.
All the stars are
It's been a tough time for the Bulldozers.
What a final this is turning out to be.
Tries to go after it and missed everything. He failed to collect that ball and has conceded buys in the bargain. What I've liked about his batting and his innings is that he's paced himself really well. Started very sedately and then went on to play some magnificent shots. And emotionless, Saba. That's the way you need to construct an innings.
Pulls well. He'll keep strike. It's 123 for 2 after 15.